Your child wakes up in the morning, refuses breakfast, and keeps pointing to their throat saying it hurts. As a parent, you immediately worry. Is it just a mild cold or something more serious like strep throat? Did you know sore throats are one of the most common reasons parents take their kids to the doctor? Today, we'll explore why kids get sore throats, how to care for them at home, and when it's time to see a doctor. Welcome back to Mini Medics, the channel that makes kids' health simple and easy to understand for parents and caregivers. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our helpful guides. 1. What is a sore throat? A sore throat is simply pain, irritation, or scratchiness in the throat. In kids, the most common causes are viral infections, like the common cold, flu, or even COVID-19. Bacterial infections, most commonly strep throat, caused by Streptococcus bacteria. Other causes, allergies, dry air, or even shouting loudly. Key difference. Viral sore throats often come with coughs and runny noses, while strep throat usually has fever, swollen glands, and white patches on the tonsils. 2. Symptoms and kids' signs you may notice include pain when swallowing red, swollen throat or tonsils, fever, headache or stomach pain in strep, swollen glands in the neck, refusing food or water. Younger children may drool or become unusually irritable. Tip. Sometimes, sore throat is just the start of a bigger infection, so always watch for changes. 3. How sore throats spread. Germs spread variously among kids, especially in schools and daycare. Ways they spread: coughs and sneezes. Tiny droplets with germs travel through the air. Touching surfaces, toys, tables, doorknobs carry germs. Close contact, sharing food, drinks, or even hugs and kisses. That's why one sick child can quickly lead to a whole classroom of sore throats. 4. Caring for a sore throat at home. For most sore throats, especially viral, keep your child hydrated. Offer water, warm soups, or cold ice pops. Warm saltwater gargles only for older kids. Honey for kids over 1 year can soothe the throat. Soft foods like yogurt, mashed potatoes, or smoothies. Use acetaminophen or ibuprofen for pain or fever. Check dosage with a doctor. Rest is key. Let the body heal. Avoid aspirin in kids due to Ray's syndrome. 5. When medical help is needed, 1.5 minutes. Call your doctor if your child has a sore throat lasting more than 3 days, has a high fever, can't swallow or breathe easily, has white patches or pus on the tonsils, develops a rash with sore throat, possible scarlet fever. Doctors may do a strep test and prescribe antibiotics if needed. Remember, antibiotics only help for bacterial sore throats, not viral ones. 6. Recovery and prevention tips. Most viral sore throats improve in 3 to 5 days. With antibiotics, strep throat improves within 24 to 48 hours. To prevent sore throat spreading, encourage hand washing. Teach kids to cover coughs and sneezes. Don't share cups, straws, or utensils. Keep sick kids home until they recover. Stay updated with vaccines like flu shots. Ultra menos 30 seconds. So parents, remember? Most sore throats in kids are mild and caused by viruses, but some, like strep throat, need proper medical care. With the right care at home and a little prevention, your child can recover quickly and avoid spreading germs to others. Thanks for watching Mini Medics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple guides on children's health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.